Okay, guys, don't look. Don't look. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh yes, are you able to share your screen?
Oh yeah. 1 second.
No problem.
Take your time.
Do you see this?
Oh.
I perceive with my eyes, yes.
I heard a dum. So I'm gonna.
1 second, guys. I gotta get some water.
Well, I want to say hi to CC because I was
back.
being silly. Good morning.
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 Sorry, I want to say welcome back.
Oh,
My tongue doesn't
okay.
bend lately.
Good morning.
Good morning, CC.
Good morning.
I'm gonna go make myself some warm water to soothe my throat. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. Bada boom 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 boom. Tadaima. Sorry, I had to go boil some water. Anyway, let's read some super chat.
And hi, IRyS, it's IRyS. Wait a sec. Give me 30 seconds. There we go. It took a good 30 seconds, but it showed up. Okay. It took a good 30 seconds, but it showed up. Okay. It took a good 30 seconds, but it showed up. Okay.
Okay, 5 minutes break. I'll be right back. Bye-bye. See you in a minute. Meow.
It's too cold for now, Callie. Oh, you're right. I'm nice and warm now. Oh, but wait a minute. I'm in my home. My home is very warm because my PC is hot, so it's fine. Big ups too. Kisaragi. Oh, Kisaragi.
I'm a Christmas tree. Actually, 1 second. I want to open the window. It's kind of stuffy. Despite the snow snowing literally on my head right now. Okay, guys. Since we've been playing for a long time, for quite some time, it's stretch time. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Reaching up. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop. It's called Not Just Ice Hakos.